Hey everyone. So this is how my day's been the past few days actually. Cold and raining and gross. I had a rant uploaded, but I decided I'm not going to let that stay there. I'm not going to show it in public. It was pretty bad. So I had to film again for the day. So I'm filming now. I'm at Dunlap's store. Brought my brother to the store so he can get some food or something for him and my father. And I only have one windshield wiper that works really good. The other one doesn't work very well. I haven't replaced it yet. Just something you just haven't done, these things you forget to do. And it's been raining hard too. Let's see. Jeez. So, shitty days I've been having, guys. Like 3 days, ever since like right after my computer blue screen of death me during the hangout. My days have been like right after that, and it's just been shitty ever since. Like I went and tried to get the vehicle, the file for lost title, but I can't do it. So after all this time procrastinating and not being asked to, but being told to, anyways, couldn't do it. Love you guys. Peace.